drive shaft. Hey, don't ever smoke and drive. I think I broke the front drive shaft.
Holy shit, man.
I think you're a little muddy.
A little bit? All that seaweed and shit down there. Let me get out this truck.
No, Fred. Front drive shaft's still attached. I think it just popped out.
Maybe it just popped out.
It's happened before.
Check it out real quick.
Come on, Troy, get over here. You want to see this? We got time now?
We got time.
We're going to see it then.
Tell me if this drive shaft's turning here when I started doing it.
Okay.
You see it?
Yep.
Oh, pop battery cable. You don't feel like wiggling it or what?